Now I am going to make half wave to full wave. This is a half wave transformer. This transformer is half wave. Let's go to check. This is the primary. I am connecting the primary to 120 voltage. And now I am connecting the voltage, AC voltage. This is a half wave transformer. Let's check the voltage first. AC voltage. I am checking the AC voltage. Here, this is here I have 35 voltage, 35.6 voltage. This is 35.6 voltage. Half wave, half wave. And the black one is the 11.4 voltage, half wave. Now I am going to make this transformer as a full wave. So let's go to check first. There, okay, the fire is strong, one nice ampere have. Let's go to make. This is 37. This is 11.9. Okay. Now I am going to make a circuit AC to DC. This is the circuit for to make AC to DC. This is the capacitor. I am using this capacitor 100 volt 2200 mfd. I am using the 4 capacitor are here. 4 capacitor will be here. 2 for the negative voltage and this 2 for the positive voltage. This 2 for the positive voltage. 2 for negative voltage, 2 for positive voltage. I am going to solder this capacitor first. Capacitor solder ready. Solder nicely. Now the capacitor fixed ready. This side is negative, this side is negative, and this side is positive. This side is positive, and middle is the ground. Middle is the ground voltage. Okay. Now I am going to fix the diode. Here need 4 diode. Here need 4 pieces of diode. Okay. I am using this diode according to the circuit. 4 diode will mix AC to DC. 4 diode will make AC to DC. This is 5400. Diode model is 5400. Now need to solder this diode. The diode soldering ready with this circuit. Now the middle look here. This is the AC. AC middle is AC. There need 3 AC. Center tap and 2 wire. There need 3 center tap transformer. There need a center tap transformer. Full wave transformer. But we have a half wave transformer. Only 2 wire. This is a half wave transformer. But let's see how I using this circuit with half wave. I'm going to make half wave to full wave. This is the important things for this circuit. This is I am going to show how to make half wave to full wave. These two are AC first. I will use two AC. This corner and another corner. I will use another corner. Two corner, two AC. There are no middle wire. There are no middle wire or center wire. Let's solder this wire. I am soldering. Okay. Soldering ready. Now this is the important things I am going to show how to make half wave to full wave. Just was this is the ground. There is no ground wire. Look, there is no wire for ground. Now I am making the middle wire, the ground center tap. Just short the ground with any AC. You can short this side or that side, no problem. If any side you can short. This is the center tap wire, and if I am shorting with that side, you can also short this side also, no problem. If any side you can short it. Now the transformer will work as a full wave transformer, center tap transformer. It's done. It's done. Okay. This is half wave to full wave voltage. I'm making half wave to 12 voltage. Now this is for 12 voltage. This is for 12 voltage. Need two capacitor. One negative and one positive will be together. One capacitor negative leg and another one capacitor positive leg will be together to make a dual voltage. The middle will be the ground voltage. The middle will be the ground voltage. You can see one is negative, one positive, and middle is the ground. This is the negative, this is the positive, and middle is the ground. Now need the diode. Now need four diode. Need four diode according to that circuit. According to that circuit, need four diode. Two diode positive side will be together. Two diodes positive will be together. This capacitor positive and this positive will be together. This capacitor positive leg and the diode positive will be together. This is the positive voltage. This is for positive voltage. Now diode two negative side will be together. Two negative side will be together. Two negative will be together, and this two negative will be added with the capacitor negative leg. I am connecting with the capacitor negative legs. That side is positive and this side is negative voltage. And this two will be AC. This one is the AC, and this one also is for the AC. This three here need three wire. Middle one for the ground and two side for AC. Now look, this is the I am cutting the extra leg. Tight. I am cutting the extra leg. Now I am going to solder. I am soldering the positive side. Now this is the negative side. Look, this two are AC. I am cutting the ground and this AC. Actually, this system need three wire, center tap wire, but I am using half wave, two wire. Look how I'm using same that circuit. I'm soldering the wire. This is the AC, and this side also AC. This side also AC. I am connecting the AC. This side also AC. And look how I am doing full wave. This is half wave. Just I am going to short this ground anywhere, any AC. We have two AC wire. We can connect any side. I am connecting to the left side. Okay, I am connecting the left side. Our main work has finished. This I am soldering. I am soldering. Now need to check. My work has finished. Now need to check the voltage. So this finish half wave to full wave. I make half wave to full wave. Now I am going to check the voltage. Need to connect the AC to 20. Now I connect the AC. Let's check. This is AC voltage. I am checking the AC voltage. I am checking the AC voltage first. AC here have AC have 11.4. AC have 11.4. The halfway AC have 11.4. Now check. I am going to check the DC. Middle is the ground. Middle is the ground, and middle is the ground. This is the negative 15.4. 15.4 is the negative voltage. 15.4 negative voltage. Now positive is same 15.6. Positive is 15.6. Positive is 15.6 voltage, and negative is 15.5 voltage. Now this is the full wave transformer dual voltage. It's make dual voltage. Okay, now going to check the big voltage. This is for the amplifier. The middle is the ground. First I'm checking the AC. AC have 35.7. AC have 35.7 voltage. Now I'm going to check the DC. I'm going to check the, oh sorry, now I'm going to check the DC. This is the ground voltage, and this is 49.9, almost 50. Positive is 49.7, and full is the 1099.99.7, almost 100 volts. Almost 100 volts. From ground 50 0 50 50 0 50. Before I was using in series line. Now I am using in the direct. Is 52 volts. Direct is 52 and negative is 52. You can also make the circuit like that system. It's very easy to make. So don't no worry about you have single type transformer or half wave transformer or full wave transformer. You can make the full wave voltage using your half wave transformer like this circuit diagram. Thanks for watching. You can get amplifier circuit diagram from our website electronicshealthcare.com.